I'm going to graph y equals 3 sine 2x plus pi on 4 minus 1. Okay, so I've chosen different numbers for each bit. Now, how do I do this? The simplest way I call 8 boxes. All right, so you do one big box like this. Okay, you halve it in the middle, half each side like that, and then half through there. Here's my 8 boxes. Always start with these. This here is 0, and here is 2 pi, or 360. Okay, so what do I do? Well, the first one is this one, minus 1. This middle line is now minus 1. And then the second one is this one, the first number. 3, it goes 3 up, so this is 2. And 3 down, making this minus 4. Is that okay?
Yes.
Right, so this one done, and this one done. This one, oh, easiest one ever, right? Each of these, you divide into 2. So in the middle, put a line like this. In the middle, put it in the middle, right? Now remember, this was pi, and this is pi on 2, and this is 3 pi on 2. Okay, so this one will be pi on 4.
Yeah.
Right, so we have done that. Now this one, we have to actually do a little bit of maths. All right? To do this one, we look at this whole thing. Now, this is the logic behind it. When you look at the normal sine curve, it does this, right? And this one is pi on 2. So the top is when it's pi on 2. So if this whole thing equal pi on 2, I know it's a top. Right, so that means 2x plus pi on 4 equals pi on 2. So in other words, what x value will make this true? Right? So bring this over, so x plus pi on 4 equals pi on 4.
Yeah.
Right? And bring, x equals 0. Right? That means when x is 0, we have a peak. And so we have a peak at x equals 0. Now, how do you draw your curve? You go from corner to opposite corner to opposite corner to opposite corner, like that. So you go, whooshah, whooshah, like this. Beautiful curve. There you go. And that's your curve.
Yes.
Now that was the easiest way I can teach anyone how to do this. Now, if it is cos slightly different, and no one does tan. A lot of teachers cannot do tan.
Action 2 starting.
So, let's do the tan one. So, if cos one. Y equals, let's change it, 4 cos, let's keep it 2x minus pi on 4 plus 1. Okay? So again, 8 boxes. Big box, divide it in half, half again, half again, half again. My 8 boxes. That's how I start. This is 0, pi, 2 pi. Okay? Now, again, the first one, 1, this is plus 1. This goes up 4, so this is 5, this is minus 3. Okay? So this one done, this one done, this one exactly the same. Right? Bang, 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 done. Now, over here, this is the sine curve. But if we have a look at the cos curve, it goes like this. So the first peaky bit is when is 0. So when this is 0, in other words, when this is pi on 4.
Yeah.
Right. So pi on 2, pi on 4. Oh, there's our peak. And the only way is down. So from here to corner, And then corner, 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 corner. There you go. And that's how you do that.
See how?
No, you can turn off the video now. And if someone would like to post this on YouTube, that would be really good.